How to download CapCut on your PC or laptop. Okay, so to do that, we just go to CapCut.com. Then we just go over here and click download for Windows. Once you finish downloading, just go to your files manager and you will see this icon over here. Double click that icon and just click install now. After downloading and installing CapCut, you can now see this icon over here. You can double click that. It will load. Then here's your interface here for CapCut. So if you're just new to CapCut, your projects will be 0 over here, but since I've already been using CapCut for a while now, there are video files here that you can see. But if you want to start creating videos, just go over here and click create project. So yeah, that's how you download and install CapCut and start editing your videos. I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video.